Two power play goals right there. You see Gallion on the shot. Nobody's near him. Great wrist shot over the goaltender for a big win for Tampa Bay. Lightning playing very well at home. They extended home win streak to 6 games. Pittsburgh struggled a little bit on the road. Best in the NHL. There you go. The house that Melrose built. The house that Melrose almost wrecked.
You guys are just getting teased. All right, he's going to stick around for top plays.